the Future versus Amazon case. There's a setback for the Future Group where the Delhi High Court has dismissed the plea. This was a plea against Singapore. Arbitration proceedings have in fact been dismissed. Sukirti, would you like to, for the benefit of our viewers, tell us what exactly has happened in the court?
Well, yes, so the Future and the Amazon Group both have, there has been a long tussle going on between them over a deal that they had signed in the year 2019. And there have been arbitration proceedings that have been going on at the court and at a tribunal in Singapore. The Future Group had actually moved the Delhi High Court, saying that those arbitration proceedings no longer hold any kind of validity, considering the regulatory approval that had been given by India's competition watchdog, the CCI. The regulatory approval had already been cancelled by CCI in a decision that was given in December. So what the Future Group essentially argued in the court is that once that regulatory approval for that entire deal has already been cancelled, then any kind of arbitration proceedings pertaining to that particular deal cannot go on in Singapore. However, the Delhi High Court has dismissed this appeal that had been filed by the Future Group, which means that the Singapore tribunal, which is set to carry on its hearing tomorrow in the case, will continue with it, and Amazon Group will get to continue with its argument in the case, because it's Amazon which had initiated those arbitration proceedings against the Future Group. So this is definitely a plus point for Amazon and a setback for the Future Group at this point of time. But definitely their legal tussles will continue, because at various courts, even the Supreme Court, both these big corporate groups had approached the top court of the country as well against each other. So those cases are also pending there. But definitely when it comes to this particular battle in the Delhi High Court, it's a win for Amazon and a setback for the Future Group.
Right. Right. Thank you very much, Sukirti, for joining us with all the latest.